Hello, this is Ghazale for Sourmeh by Zan, an all-natural organic black eyeliner. In this video, our model is applying Sourmeh by Zan to her eyelids just above the eyelashes. As always, make sure your melee is saturated by Sourmeh. Then start with the inner corner of your eye and gently smooth the skin and apply the Sourmeh in a line as close to the eyelashes as you can. You do not need to press hard with the melee, just gently glide the melee over the skin. Sourmeh by Zan is a very fine oily powder. For a darker line, dip the melee back in the Sourmeh bag and roll the melee between your fingers to remove any excess or loose powder. Then continue to apply until you have the look that you want. Thank you for using Sourmeh by Zan, an all-natural organic black eyeliner.